Okay guys, so here's the dog kennel. We've been having a lot of questions about it. We built the whole thing ourselves because one's this big for, and that's not even, she's not full grown, she's still a puppy, but what she's supposed to be costs like $1,600, and that's not cool. It's not cool at all, Mia. You should think about that next time you try growing. How much dog kennels cost for giant dogs like you. So we don't want to pay $1,600, so we just made it ourselves. And the doors make a nice creaky old antique sound. That's what we call it, right, Carter? Yeah. Ready? Are you ready? Here, that comes. Oh yeah, that right one's good, right? Mia knows what the door sound means. Here it is. We joined 2 pieces of wood together on the bottom and 2 pieces together on the top. We made, this is just like normal ugly rebar that you see, and we cleaned it, got all the rust off of it, spray painted it all matte black. Then Andrew drilled all the holes for him. All the holes.
And he used my hammer.
And he used Carter's hammer and banged them down in there and put some wood glue down in the holes.
Really loud.
It was really, really loud, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Just the price you pay.
Yeah.
It's a better price than $1,600. She doesn't care. But yeah, and then we bought these hinges at Lowe's, of course. Everything came from
I
Lowe's.
like the colors of those hinges.
Carter likes the colors of the hinges. I think they match the rebar really good. We still have to get latches because the kind we bought are too short. It doesn't connect. She can just like push it open. So that's why there's no hinges on it yet. But there will be. And the inside, this is not a serious stain job. It's just like a rough cut. We had already dropped paint inside it while working and everything. But I'm going to have a mat down on the whole thing. That way she doesn't make a mess or anything. I can just wipe it and clean it. Because she's a really messy eater. Aren't you? Oh, she licked the camera. Give them a love to the YouTube. Yeah, and then the back of it, it's not shiplap, obviously, but I wanted a shiplap look. There's the top of it. That was my first time staining. I know it's hard to believe with all the projects we do, but I'd never stained before, and I really love it. That's pretty much my simple diagnosis of it. Andrew knows all the measurements and everything. All I know is big kennel, big dog that's currently trying to eat little cat.
And